Today, we're diving into 3 of the best screen recording apps for Android. Whether you want to capture high-quality videos or add your personal touch, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Mobizen Screen Recorder. Mobizen is a powerful screen recording tool that is widely popular among gamers. It offers high-quality recording with options to adjust resolution and frame rates, ensuring smooth gameplay capture. One of its standout features is the ability to add facecam overlays, allowing users to include their reactions during gameplay, which is perfect for streaming and sharing content. Additionally, Mobizen provides various editing tools, enabling users to trim, merge, and add music or effects to their recorded videos, which enhances the overall presentation. ADV Screen Recorder. ADV Screen Recorder is designed specifically for straightforward and efficient recording. It offers a user-friendly interface with minimal distractions, making it accessible for gamers of all skill levels. Users can record in 2 different engines, ensuring compatibility with various devices. The app includes features like drawing over the screen while recording, which is great for creating tutorials or highlighting specific gameplay moments. ADV Screen Recorder also allows for the addition of text and logos, making it a versatile tool for content creators who wish to personalize their videos. XScreen Recorder. XScreen Recorder stands out for its simplicity and high-quality output. It supports resolutions up to 1080p and allows users to record with or without audio. One of its notable features is the ability to pause and resume recording, which is ideal for capturing specific segments of gameplay without having to record everything continuously. The app includes basic editing options and a built-in video player, providing a seamless experience from recording to playback. Additionally, XScreen Recorder has a floating button for easy access during recording sessions, making it user-friendly in the heat of gaming action. That wraps up our overview of the top screen recording apps for gaming on Android. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.